Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to talk about Binance and its Web3 wallet. So this video is very important, so make sure that you watch it to the end. It will definitely help you prevent yourself from losing money. Yeah, but before I explain about Binance wallet and the Web3 wallet, but let me first try to go back a little bit backwards to help you understand what Binance Wallet is and what is the Web3 wallet for. So there are two types of online wallets. The first one is a custodial wallet and a non-custodial wallet. So what this simply means, for a custodial wallet is a wallet such as Binance, CAX.io or Coinbase, okay? And for a non-custodial wallet, we can talk about Trust Wallet and other stuff. So for a custodial wallet, the crypto exchange actually holds or keeps your private keys, okay? But when it comes to a non-custodial wallet, you are responsible for the security of your wallet. So you are given the keys, and without those keys, you cannot access your assets. Yeah. So Binance as a crypto exchange, okay, has got its own wallet, okay? But for them, they keep for you the keys. So in this sake, that is the Binance wallet. Then there's the Web3 wallet. So the Web3 wallet is a non-custodial wallet. So Binance actually gives you the keys to that wallet, and you are responsible for what happens to that account or the wallet, okay? Yeah, so Binance does not hold the keys for you. Yeah, so usually what I was advising people is that it's better to hold money in a non-custodial wallet, but as of now, you don't need to look for another external or another non-custodial wallet. For example, Trust Wallet. Actually, Binance gives you that. You can have a non-custodial wallet just there within Binance. But let me not talk about the most important thing here about the Binance wallet and the Binance non-custodial wallet, also known as Web3. So Web3 is mainly used for interacting with the decentralized apps. So don't worry if you don't understand anything about that. I'm sure you won't need to use any of those stuff as of now, unless as you progress further. Yeah. So there are, I think, two major differences between the Binance wallet and the Web3 wallet. So let's talk about withdrawals. So when you deposit money into your, if you deposit crypto into your Binance wallet, okay, for example, let us say you've deposited, let us say 20 USDT via the Tron network. Then if you wanted to send that Tron somewhere out of Binance, okay, Binance is only going to charge you like $1 or 1.5 USDT, somewhere there. But if you had money in the Web3 wallet, for you to withdraw that crypto in the Web3 wallet, you're going to need gas, okay? And for that, you have to buy Tron for you to be able to send out. So this is the major difference between the crypto wallet from the exchange and the Web3 wallet. So when it comes to the Binance wallet, since you don't have the keys for that wallet, so you don't need any gas for you to be able to transfer out money. So Binance actually takes care of that. What Binance does is simply just charge you a fee to withdraw or to send out. But for Web3, you have to have gas in there for you to be able to send out. So that's the major difference between a custodial and a non-custodial wallet. So sometimes by using Binance is cheaper, and I like having your own gas. But again, okay, it depends on the type of crypto you're trying to send out, but USDT is the cheaper. I think it's the cheapest one when it comes to sending, and I think Binance might be a little bit expensive on that one. I think it takes only about 20 or 30 Tron just to send out money on the on USDT. Yeah, that's the first major difference. Then the second major difference is what I already talked about. So the major difference is that actually, when it comes to Binance, Okay, since they hold all the keys for you, so they are responsible for the security of your account. So you can log in on Binance from your laptop, from your other phone, or when you go to a cafe, you can log in and be able to access your money in the Binance wallet. But in the Web3, even though the Web3 filter is still within Binance app, you can't just do that like you log in from anywhere and expect to see your money there. So, for example, if your phone gets stolen, you install back the Binance app, okay? You have to restore your Web3 wallet by pasting in, I think it's the 12-word backup phrase or the private keys if you actually have them. Yeah, but without that, you actually get to lose all that crypto that you had. So I think based on what I've talked about, I'm sure you know which wallet is best for you. Okay, so I think for beginners, it's best that you just stick to the wallet that comes from an exchange, which is the Binance wallet, because for that you don't have to worry about the security of your assets. You can simply log in from any device. You can delete the app, install, you still find your assets there. But when it comes to the Web3, it's not a bit straightforward. Yeah, it's a process. Yeah, and you really, so if you go on with a Web3 route, make sure that you back up your keys. But I think the best thing, since you're given a 12-word backup phrase, okay, you're told, remember, you're not even supposed like to write it anywhere, because anyone with access to that can actually access your assets, and there's no way of preventing that. So I think the best I could advise is that try to memorize the 12-word phrase. I think it shouldn't be hard, because I remember when I was getting my driver's license at Rasta there, I had to memorize the 12, no, not 12, there were 10 road rules. Okay, they are long, they're like 2 sentences each, but I had to memorize all of them. So I think memorizing the 12 words shouldn't be hard, although the words that they don't really like make sense. Yeah, like they are generated like more like randomly. But I think over time, if you keep on just reading them aloud every day, you will finally memorize them. So I think if you don't have anywhere to store the phrase like securely, where no one can actually get to have access to them, or maybe getting hacked. And remember, don't store your private keys or the backup phrase in your phone, in case your phone is hacked or in case your phone is stolen, and that's where you hold the keys or the phrase, then you've got no chance of actually recovering your crypto. So you have to make sure that you store the keys somewhere outside your phone or outside your computer, where you can easily access them in case your laptop was to maybe just go off completely or get stolen or get damaged or whatever happens to it. Yeah, and also avoid online stuff, and they're not 100% safe. Yeah, so that's the best. So I think for now I've talked much. I'm going to end here. So let me just summarize what I've talked about. So Binance has, let me just say, Binance has got 2 wallets. There's the wallet from Binance itself, and there's the Web3. So the wallet itself from Binance is a custodial wallet. They hold the keys for you. You don't have to worry about security. Then the non-custodial one, which is Web3, okay, you hold all the keys for yourself and you control everything from there. So each wallet has got their own advantages. Yeah, so for example, if you've got money in Binance, I think Binance has got the power to freeze your account, but I don't know if Binance has got the power to freeze the money you have in your Web3, since the Web3 wallet is still within Binance itself. But I don't think it's possible, because that is, Web3 is all about, is about actually full control, and no one should mess up with your stuff in there. Yeah, but if security is your main concern, then the best is to simply install, okay, a complete non-custodial wallet like Trust Wallet that is not controlled by anyone. Like you will get full control or full ownership of everything. I think that's the best if that's what you're worried about. Yeah, but if you're not worried about that, then Binance is okay. So actually I've got a full course on crypto trading, in not really in general. Yeah, but if you're interested like in learning more about this, how you can prevent yourself from losing money, and if actually even like making money online with crypto, I'm the guy to go to. Simply contact me. My details are in the description, and I'll enroll you in my course. By the way, my course is on my e-learning platform. It's in video form, explained step by step. Yeah, so you learn from anywhere at any time at your own speed, and you will also be able to track your progress. And I'm actually currently running a Black Friday promotion. You can actually get my courses at 50% less. Yeah, but for now, this is Keith. I hope what I've talked about has made sense, and if it did, give this video a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now.